Hi, this is Jyoti from Tenet Technetronics. Now let us see GUI programming on Beagleboard Excel demos using the scripting languages such as Perl, Python and TCLT. This is the Ubuntu OS which has been ported to the Beagleboard Excel. So on the Ubuntu OS, we are doing the GUI programming. So in order to start up your programming, go to Applications, Accessories, select the terminal. So Python, Perl and TCL, these are the basic scripting languages which are mainly used to perform GUI programming. So now let us see the Python code which is used to display the hello world on the screen. This is the Python code which is mainly used to display hello world on the screen. In order to execute it, type the command as follows: Python, your file name. So this is the GUI output you obtain. You will get a display as hello world. Then you can quit your application. So next let us see the Perl GUI application to display the hello world. So this is the Perl code which is used to display the hello world on the console, on the GUI. You can execute this application as / your file name. So this is the GUI screen which you obtain after your execution. You can quit it. Now let us see the TCL package in order to perform GUI programming. So this is the TCL program which is used to display the hello world. Execute it as wish with your file name. So you get a console display along with the GUI display. Thanks for watching this video. For more information or queries, please contact our website www.tenetech.com.